beautiful buds, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Megan and I'm so happy that you found our little corner of the internet here. If you like this video, I would love for you to become a part of our community of buds by clicking that subscribe button down below and turning on post notifications so you don't miss my future videos. So going into the new year, I asked you guys on Instagram and in the community tab what you wanted to see more of on this channel, and the one answer that I saw over and over again was more unboxings and reviews of ethical companies. So with that in mind, I am partnering with NDulge for today's video. So if you guys haven't heard of NDulge, it's spelled like the word indulge but then without the I. It's a really cool company that makes a lot of really cute activewear and accessories. It was started by these two sisters who had this mission. They wanted to change the world and make it a better place. So they decided to donate 33% of their proceeds to different charitable organizations, which is a huge percentage to be donating. Like, that's off the charts for what a lot of companies do. They have donated over $275,000 since 2016, which is just nuts. Like, these ladies are doing amazing work. And they also employ women and teach them job skills and provide them income, which is also super cool. So they have this product called the Giving Box, which is what I'm gonna be unboxing and reviewing for you guys today, and I'll show you it. So the Giving Box comes in the mail like this, in this white box with a super cute sticker on it, and basically it is a subscription box of activewear and accessories. It's $48 a month, and again, 33% of the proceeds go to helping really cool organizations that are helping underprivileged people. I know this one in particular went to helping fund an orphanage in Nepal, which is so cool, and it's always filled with $100 plus worth of products. So they were kind enough to send this over to me, and I'm gonna unbox it and see what's in it for you guys. Let's get started. So opening it up, you've got this bright pink tissue paper and an Indulge sticker, which I ripped because I'm clumsy. And then here are the actual products in it. The first thing that I'm pulling out is this wood beaded bracelet, I think. And it just says, "Thank you for supporting Purana Orphanage in Kathmandu, Nepal." I probably mispronounced that, really sorry. Each one of the 16 children that call Purana Orphanage their home were abandoned when they were just days old. It's a devastating problem that's being combated by a kind and loving woman named Uma, and Uma and 4 other women are working to create jewelry as a way to support the children. So this is what that is. How cool. So the first thing I'm seeing in here is a top. It's this heathered gray and black color, and it's long sleeve, and it's got a cute little tie at the bottom, and this is Indulge brand, and this looks really soft. I feel like I could totally wear this, like, not as activewear. I definitely think I could wear this to the gym, but I could also just wear it out with friends. It's super cute and soft. And then it looks like there are 2 other items in here, which is a great value. The first one are these leggings. Again, they are Indulge brand, obviously. They're black, and they have these cool, like, stripes down the sides. These are really in right now. They're high-waisted. You have the cute little Indulge logo on the back. And these are one size fits most, so they're really stretchy, which I think is gonna make them really comfortable. I'll try them on, obviously, for you guys to see. And then lastly, there is this pair of, like, dusty rose-colored leggings. I love the front of these. They go down in, like, this V shape. This is, like, a really thick, sporty material, so it would be great for not showing panty lines. And it has this, like, laser cut floral design on the edge, which is really cool. And it's like a gray, but kind of with a green undertone underneath. It's really pretty. And again, high-waisted, super cute. So that is what would normally come in a Giving Box. That is like 2 full workout outfits, plus a little bit of jewelry, which is super cool, and it's going to support a great cause. But Indulge actually also recently put out some other items. You can also buy these specific items just by themselves on their website. I'll link everything down below. And I think I have a discount code as well, so that will be in the description box. But they also came out with a couple of new products that they sent me, and I'm gonna unbox these, and I'm actually gonna be giving these away to you guys. This is like a silent giveaway. I'm not gonna put it in like the title or the description or anything, because I don't want this to be like, follow me and I'll give you stuff. I really just want to say thank you to the people who are already on my channel, who have made it this far in the video, who are here supporting me week after week. If you've seen this and you want to enter this giveaway, first of all, you have to be willing to give me your address so that I can ship it somewhere, like on Instagram or an email or something. Leave me a comment down below telling me what your favorite workout is and your email, and I will randomly pick one of the comments and send the winner these 2 pairs of leggings, which I'm going to show you right now. So the first ones will probably look pretty familiar to you because they're pretty much the exact same as the first pair that I showed you from my box, except for they have this cute, where'd it go? Oh, they have this cute little decal on the leg that says Dreamer, and I think that's such an apt message for this brand because it really is these 2 women who dreamed up this opportunity to help people in need and are supporting all of these other dreamers who are going out there and making that change as well. These are one size fits most, which obviously helps no matter who the winner is. These should fit you. And they're so soft, guys. They're so soft. And the second pair are that same style, but they're in this dusty pink color, which is, again, so pretty. I'm just in love with this color. They have the stripes down the bottom again. Again, they are one size fits most. And these have this cute little heart design on the hip, which I love because this brand is just so full of heart. Overall, I definitely think that the Giving Box is a really great value. I think the products are stellar. The leggings are so comfortable and really cute. And to be able to get 2 full workout outfits for a box that you're paying $48 for, and a third of that is a donation, is insane. Especially when you also consider that they're employing people and making a difference that way as well. I love finding new ethical brands and specifically ethical subscription boxes. You guys have seen so many of these on my channel, and I love giving them support. So go show Indulge a little bit of love, and let me know in the comments down below also if you try out the Giving Box and what you think of it. If you guys have any other ethical subscription companies that you want me to try out, please also let me know because your requests are my favorite kinds of video to film. So I'll be on the lookout for that as well as your entries into the giveaway. But until then, I hope you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!